1, 2, 3, 4. In this video, we're going to learn how to play the chords to Frére Jacques. Good news, there's only 2 chords. That's 2 chords. You have C to G. So let's take a quick look at that C chord. So you're going to put your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. You're going to take your 2nd finger. You're going to put it on the 2nd fret of the D string. And you're going to take your 1st finger and you're going to put it on the 1st fret of the B string. From the A string down. And you have your C chord. So the first 2 measures start with C. And I use the strum pattern down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. In measure number 3, we're going to split the measure in half, C to G. So measure number 3, you have C, C, G, 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 G. And same thing with measure number 4, C, C, G, 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 G. So your G chord is going to look like this. Start with your ring finger, 3rd fret of the low E string. Then you're going to take your middle finger, put it on the 2nd fret of the A string. And then you're going to take your pinky and take it on the 3rd fret of the high E string. That's your G chord. So once again, measure number 3, C, C, G, 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 C, C, G, 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 G. So that's measure number 3 and 4. Measure number 5 and 6 are the same as 1 and 2. So it's going to be C, 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 G, C, C, G, C. Now this is a little bit different than the previous C, G, C because this time you're going to stay on 1 beat for C, 1 beat for G, and 2 beats for C. So it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the beats. If I were to say the chords, C, G, C, 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 G, C, C. So the whole thing all together, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 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 G, C, G. Back to C. C, C, G, C, C, G, C. And that's the end of this song. Good luck, and remember, the more you practice, the better you get. The better you get, the more you practice. Rock!